Welcome back to SNES Test. Today we are continuing to test the Quickshot Joystick, and I bring this game up a lot because I love it. I really do. Not only that, I hear it's one of the more rare titles. I don't know if you guys can confirm that or back me up on it. Don't remember where I got it or when I got it, but I've had it for doggone forever. No one else's name's on it, so either they didn't mark it up or I got it new. Back around 2000 or so, 2001 maybe. KB Toys, I want to think it was just, I mean, you could get Super Nintendo games for $1 or $2 was kind of where it was at the time. So it might be one of those. I can promise you some of my games are. That's where I got them. They might even still have the KB Toys sticker on them. So that's where they came from. So without further ado, let's jam this in the Super and see how she plays. Alright. That looks good. Sounds good. Konami. Not to be confused with Capcom. Alright. What happens if you watch? Alright, so I'm using the Quickshot. Interesting. Do I have to have a second player? Otherwise, we're kind of SOL here. Michelangelo. What it do? Which button? None of them. I'm hitting all of them. Start? I don't have a second player. So you just hit select? Oh, that's no good. Is it me or the... I don't have a second player. Alright, reset. Okay. Let's see what she do. So, hit start. And take tournament. Will be Leo. I suppose we should have watched that. I haven't seen that in years. Oh well. Okay, how's the joystick do? Let's find out. Okay, up is jump, back is back, trigger is kick, left. I'm not even holding down. Nah, this controller is old, so. Okay, middle thumb is kick. Are they both kick? What is this crap? I promise you folks I beat the tar out of this game as a kid, but I know I was using the regular controller, not the Quickshot. Oh, the dead zone, the button unfamiliarity, it's like you muscle memory yourself into the joypad. 2 hands, now it's all 1 hand. Oh, I know it's a Konami game, but he got me in a Capcom corner. Ha ha ha. Oh, I did not win. What are your thoughts? That was a horrible translation. One of the things I used to really love about this game, excuse me, is that I had this toy, Chrome Dome. Actually, I had all of them, but I mean, I really liked Chrome Dome. I thought it was a cool toy. It was like a cyborg guy that could stretch, but you know, you pull his arms and legs out, and he had just like biomechanical stuff underneath it. Maybe the first toy I ever saw that was a straight up Zangief move. And like I was saying, that was probably like the first instance of something being, or maybe my first exposure to the idea of cyborgs and biomechanicalism. Loved it. And it came from Ninja Turtles of all places, right? Oh, if I can beat you with one move, I will. I don't like fighting games. I don't play them. Secret of Mana. Like, it's about as far as you can get from a fighting game, right? So, anyhow, I won one. That was my goal. Review? I don't know. I think what I'm perceiving as a dead zone is not. You have to be all the way over. Like, I mean, to get anything out of it, to get any real movement, you gotta kind of jam the stick over. So, just like in Secret of Mana, you're going down from 2 hands to 1 hand to do all the work. If you had like a TV tray or something, this thing does have suction cups on the bottom. But even still, then you're not getting the 2-hand combo moves like away, whatever, you know. That's all with the same hand. And I think that really hurts things as far as fighting games and some of the more complicated RPGs go. But, you know, the Quickshot abides. Join me next time. I'm going to leave it for a surprise. I can't wait to see just how much I suck at the next game. Again, this has been SNES Test. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.